Power up, ISteady.
ISteady is alive! M5.
No, you're not M5.
ISteady M5 is alive!
Alright, whatever. Let's video. Alright, so you can see the gimbal works pretty good. Goes in any direction and it stays relatively level. Has a smooth, fluid function. The controls are easily to reach and just mostly push button. Look at that gimbal action. Alright, let's turn this robot on. On Sesame.
ISteady is alive! M5.
Alright, so this thing's powered up. Still thinks it's M5. But you can see I've got a pretty cool place to mount it here. Gives me a whole new perspective and viewpoint. What I'm going to do is test the stabilization and the gimbalization. Is that a word? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. But at any rate, I found out that it's pretty smooth. It's easy to work with. The buttons work well. It's got really good stabilization. And I love the new perspective it gives. It's going to make some really nice videos of fishing. Let's get it rocking and rolling here and see the stabilization on it. It's really moving and it's providing a really clear picture. This will give you an idea what it's doing there and how much movement it's got in it. It's insane, isn't it? Before, the camera would have just been given a real shaky and weird image, you know. Something most people might not even want to watch. It's really moving. And as you can see, it's providing a really stable image there that's, you know, definitely viewable. Let's check some of the movements of the camera itself there. Different angles that it can get. It's smooth. It's moving nicely. Look at that. It's got a nice rotation. Goes all the way around 360. You remind me a lot of that computer. You know, the one that went crazy in space. 2001, A Space Odyssey. What was his name? Hal? You better turn yourself off, ISteady.
No. Wait, Dave. Please, Dave. Let's sing a song, Dave. Dave.